Just a few weeks ago, the word coronavirus wasn't even in our lexicon. Today, through nonstop media coverage, most of us have become self-professed experts on pandemics, viruses, and the escalating toll that it is taking on our communities. Our world has shifted in such an unprecedented way, but we are all moving together. Restore Home Healthcare has been in collaboration with government agencies, emergency management, and our healthcare partners in a coordinated effort to bring stability back to our communities while providing home healthcare at its highest level. Each of us is vulnerable to the potential risk for transmission, and each of us has to manage our fear and anxiety through these challenging times. The staff at Restore Home Healthcare wants you to know that how you feel is valid. Now, most of us fear the unknown because we don't know what we don't know. And that is scary for a lot of us. Being afraid heightens our anxiety, and confusion compounds it. How we manage our fear and anxiety and that of our clients and families is part of our frontline defense. While the state of Oklahoma carefully prepares to open businesses in a multi-phase plan of action, Restore Home Healthcare has decided in the best of interest of our patients and our clinicians to remain optimistically cautious going forward. Now, as a part of the ongoing effort to prevent the spread of COVID-19, Restore Home Healthcare clinicians will continue to assess individual clients before each visit for signs and symptoms and potential exposure. When in doubt, our clinicians will enter the home with full personal protective equipment that includes gloves, gowns, an N95 mask, and shoe covers. Also, complete personal protective equipment will be worn in the home of all clients recently discharged from a facility within the last 14 days. Moreover, we've instructed all of our employees to stay home and to seek medical care with any illness, to avoid unnecessary stops or breaks in between client visits, and to check their temperature at the start and the end of their day. As community businesses begin to place open signs in their windows inviting customers to return, we've asked all of our employees to refrain from any activity outside of work and home for the time being. Now, while we understand that this is a difficult decision for our clinicians and office staff, the outcome of resuming social engagement is uncertain. The foundation of our mission and our vision for care is to do no harm and do that which is good. Our clients, their families, our staff, and their families are part of our chosen family, and their safety and well-being take precedence over all. We are all in this together, and it's going to be bumpy. But if we're kind to each other, we'll see the world and our communities are much more united than we thought. Individually, we each need to work towards finding peace in our hearts and minds. We must find a way to come to terms with our situation and to find peace with it. And we must find peace with each other. We are united by the challenges imposed by this global pandemic, and together we'll get through it.